Yannick, we've heard a lot of encouragement from your counterparts, and I'd love to hear you say hello and tell our class something that they haven't heard.
Hello, everyone. My name is Yannick Zikun. My counterparts have explained everything. They said everything already, but like I would say, the coursework is the same part. I came in this country a few years ago with a purely different background. I had a finance background, and I did the same class with Chantal, 2016, and I ended up, it was tough. We had to struggle. Like when I came to this course, when we started the course, what went so well for me is we formed a group. We were three of us in our group. We used to study together. We do assignments together. It was really tough. Sometimes I would spend midnights. I would drive from maybe Addison to McKinney to go do assignments with my friend. So all that, it was really tough. But the bad thing is, among the three of us, my friends kind of dropped along the path. That's just to explain. And when we were all together, they were picking up more than I was doing. I was struggling during the course. But what kept me going is there was this perseverance. I kept on, no matter how hard is it, I had to put in time, I had to persevere, I had to move forward. So I want to say that for everyone, things are gonna be tough, but just if you can persevere, if you can sacrifice, sometimes it can be hard in such a way that you want to give up. It's okay to take like a little break, take a brief air, and then you come back. Don't quit. There's no chance of quitting. And that's what happened with my friends. It became so tough at one point in time, they had to quit, but I continued. And at the end, I had my first job in 2017, and I've been in that job till now. In 3 years, I work in the mortgage industry. And every day is a learning experience. So I want to encourage you guys, as you come in here, I would say it's a very rewarding career, but things are not going to be easy. So you just need to put in the time, work hard. We are all here to help. We're all here to help you, and continue learning, and hope everything goes well.
You have a very strong team, guys. Thank you for your encouragement. These guys mean it when they say they're going to help you. They're not talking about stuff they have not seen or experienced. They have compassion and they care about your success.